Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Mr. Cash Money here. In this video I'll be sharing with you a platform that you can join to make thousands of dollars easy and free. So if you're interested in knowing about this platform, hit on that subscription button and watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on any details. The platform that I'll be talking about in this video is called Gramfree. As we all know, Telegram has its own blockchain called TON, T-O-N, that is Telegram's open network, and they recently launched their cryptocurrency called Gram. According to their website, Gram is faster than Bitcoin and Ethereum blockchain and can even outperform Visa and MasterCard in transaction speed, more than 1 million transactions per second. You will earn Gram for every task you perform on their website, which will be converted to cash upon withdrawal. 1 gram is equal to $2.13 as at the time of recording this video. You can see here $2.13. It can go up and down just like any other currency. No experience is required to join. It is totally free and available worldwide. You will need to sign a contract with the platform before you can start earning money. And to do that, click on the first link in the description. It will take you to this page. Click on sign up button. Then choose if you want to continue with Facebook or Google account. Once you log into your dashboard, the very first thing you will see is a pop-up message that says signing a contract provide 10.0 gram to your balance instantly. It means that you are going to earn 10 gram for signing a contract with them. All you need to do is to click on OK and then click on sign to sign the contract. You will also earn when you sign the standard smart contract. You have two options to choose when signing the contract: the regular contract and the risky contract. You will earn 0.3 gram when you sign the regular contract. As you can see here, 0.3 gram. The contract lasts for 5 days before it expires and requires you to confirm it every day. As you can see, the countdown has started, showing the next confirmation time. The second one is risky contract. You will earn 0.7 gram when you sign the risky contract. The risky contract is the same as regular contract, but the only difference is that if you fail to confirm the contract in a day, you will pay a penalty of minus 1.5 gram. As you can see here, you agree to confirm the contract every day without missing a day, otherwise you have to pay a penalty. So if you think that you can be able to confirm the contract every day, then go for risky contract because you will earn more. Once the contract you sign expires, try to sign a new contract to earn additional 0.3 gram or 0.7 gram depending on the contract you are signing. You can only hold 5 contracts at a time, so make sure to sign up to 5 contracts. Signing up to 5 contracts will give you 0.3 gram or 0.7 gram in 5 places. So this is the first method to earn money with Gramfree. Another way to earn money is by free roll. This option here. What free means here is that you will get one chance to roll every 1 hour. When you roll, you get a lucky number ranging from 1 to 1000. The lucky number you get will determine how much you will make. As you can see, lucky number payout. When you get a number ranging from 1 to 980, you will get 0.1 gram. Numbers ranging from 981 to 993, you will get 1 gram. 994 to 997, 10 gram. 998 to 999, 100 gram. 1000 to 1000, 1000 gram. So make sure this button is turned on before you roll. You earn less if it is turned off. You can see that the price has changed, minus 10 gram, minus 1, and so on. To roll, you just have to tap on run button. I won 1 gram because I got lucky number 983. Once you have rolled, the countdown will start immediately for another roll. As you can see, once the countdown is over, another free roll will be available again. You can earn up to 1000 gram if you are lucky. Here you can see how much people are making every second. 10 gram, 100 gram, 0.1 gram. It really depends on your luck. You can also earn money by making Gramfree videos. You will earn 5 gram when you upload a video about Gramfree. You need to send it for a review first. As you can see here, send to review. When it gets accepted, you will earn 5 gram. You will also earn by watching a video. New videos are uploaded every single day. You will earn 0.1 gram for each video you watch. When you click on watch, a 60-second countdown will start. And once that countdown is over, the video will be marked as watched. You can choose to continue watching or go back. You don't have to watch the entire video for you to get paid. You can see that it has been marked as watched. So make sure to watch all videos available for the day so as to increase your earning. Another way to earn money here is through referrals. You will earn 5.0 gram per referral, as you can see here on the screen. Invite and earn. For each registered user, you will get 5.0 gram. All you need to do is to click on go to referrals, copy your referral link, share with your friends. Anyone that joins through your link, you will earn 5.0 gram from them. Here you will see the total number of people you have invited, depending on here. You can also see all the activities down here, their name, status, progress, level, and last activities. Another way to earn money here is through lottery. Thousands of lottery tickets are uploaded here every single day. Here you can see the available tickets, the time for the results. The ticket has been sold out now, but once this batch is over, another batch will begin. To enter the lottery, you have to purchase the tickets using the money you earn. You have to enter how many tickets you want to buy here, then you will be able to see the price it will cost, the minimum winning chance. After that, click on buy to purchase. These are the prices, position, and the payouts for the tickets for the lottery. First to 10th position to earn 5,000 gram. 11th to 20th position 3,000 gram. 21st to 30th position 1,000 gram. 31st to 50th position 200 gram. 51st to 100th position 20 gram. If you don't fall within any of these positions, you will earn nothing. You can also earn when you complete each user level. As you can see, I'm currently at level 1, 12%. Once I have completed level 1, I will be awarded with additional 2 gram. These are the bonus points you will earn when you complete any action in Gramfree. New day activity will give you plus 1 point. Free roll plus 1 point. Invitation of a friend plus 5 points. When your friend reach to the level plus 10 points. Smart contract was concluded plus 2 points. Smart contract was confirmed plus 1 point. Smart contract was signed plus 5 points. Play lottery plus 2 points. YouTube video was watched plus 1 point. New video review was approved plus 10 points. So that is all about making money with Gramfree. Once you have reached the minimum payout threshold, which is 500 gram, head over to withdraw your earnings directly to your local bank. As you can see, there is MasterCard, Visa, and many other payment options: Bitcoin, Ethereum, PayPal, American Express, Payoneer, Paye. So many options to choose from. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, like, share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.